Developing right now, the Trump administration continues to escalate threats of lawsuits and federal funding cuts to states like Illinois over its sanctuary state laws. Our Victor Jacobo is live in our newsroom looking into the potential impact on the state of Illinois. Hi, Victor.
Yeah, that's right. The latest issue around immigration deals with a back and forth battle between the Department of Homeland Security and states like California, New York, and Illinois. DHS wants states like ours to comply with immigration detainers. Illinois leaders are pushing back. The Department of Homeland Security says it is putting California, New York, and Illinois on notice because the states have not cooperated with immigration detainer requests. When ICE asks local jails and prisons to alert the agency if they are releasing an undocumented individual so ICE can come and take them into custody. DHS says detainer compliance is necessary to prevent criminals who are undocumented from re-entering communities. CBS News Chicago obtained a letter Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul sent to Homeland Security, saying the federal government does not have the legal authority to force state or local law enforcement to comply with such detainer requests. Senior DHS officials tell CBS News they will tap the Department of Justice to sue states and attempt to block federal funding.
Based on our current Supreme Court precedents, the state of Illinois stands on a strong footing.
Arthur Acevedo is with the University of Illinois Chicago Law School and says the Constitution's 10th Amendment protects Illinois' policies, like the Trust Act, which prohibits local cooperation on things like ICE detainers. Supporters of the law say it strengthens trust between law enforcement and immigrant communities.
It cannot order state officials or state officers to pursue and enact a federal program. So basically, whenever the federal government wants to do something, they need to put in their own staff.
When it comes to the threat of blocking federal funding, Acevedo says,
the Trump administration, I think, really faces an uphill battle here.
While Acevedo says legal precedent may favor states like Illinois in preventing federal funding from being cut, he expects the administration to test the limits of its power.
The Trump administration has been successful in the eight months that they've been in office in getting the Supreme Court to at least agree with them on an emergency basis. We still have to understand if they will prevail when the Supreme Court does a full review on the merits.
Now, in its letter responding to Homeland Security, the Office of Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul says if ICE suspects someone of engaging in criminal conduct in Illinois, to obtain judicial warrants for those individuals. In the newsroom, Victor Jacobo, CBS News, Chicago.
Victor, thanks very much.